Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna be making an unboxing and review about a microphone. If you're new to my channel, let me tell you that I make tutorial videos. I also make some reviews and also a little bit of the entrepreneur mommy lifestyle. Sometimes I also upload some activities for children and things that will help us as mommies to keep our children entertained and of course learning a lot. If you like these type of videos, please consider subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button down below. Let's get started. Let's talk about this Vitopal microphone that is a compact on-camera microphone. Let's do the unboxing now. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm gonna be opening this microphone, and this is the way that it looks. This is Vitopal compact on-camera microphone. So here we have the microphone, and this is the cable, one of the cables and two cables. It seems that this is for the phone and this is for the camera, and it also has this, so you can it's like a screwdriver to install this one, I guess. This is the dead cat, and here is the microphone, which looks really nice. There is nothing else here. So this is the microphone. Now let's see how we're going to install it to the camera or the cell phone. Let's see. So we can just okay, so this is the camera side, so I'm assuming this will be for the microphone here. And if you want to use the dead cat to avoid further noise, I guess you can use this one instead of the other one, right? Okay, so you can use either or. Now let's see how the dead cat is synthetic, I guess. So now let's see what do we have here on the instructions. So you can use it with your smartphone and with your camera, but I guess for the smartphone you will need to be an Android or an old iPhone, because currently I'm using the iPhone X and it won't work with that one. This is the way you install it. In order for you to install it on the camera, you want to do this, to insert this one like that, and then you will connect this one. Okay, so this is my Canon EOS M50 and I'm using my iPhone to record. So in order for you to install the Vitopal microphone, way that it will be installed. And let's see how is the sound with it. Okay, you can do it both ways. You can use it both ways. You can use it with the dead cat, or if you prefer, you can use it like this. Currently I'm filming with the Vitopal camera on microphone, and it looks really nice. Now let's see how it sounds. Right now I have the one that is shown here on the box here, but this one is also included, and remember that it also has these two cables. One is for the phone, and the other one that I'm currently using has the camera on it, so you can differentiate between both. It looks really nice. Now let's see how it sounds. Okay, so the dead cat is now installed, and let's see how it sounds now with that one. And I am hoping that it sounds great, because if it does, I'm gonna be using this a lot, because I am planning to use two different cameras, so this will be very useful for my channel. Now let's go to the computer and edit this video so I can see how it sounds. First of all, apologize for the lighting and for the sound. Remember, my computer is very old. I'm gonna change it, I promise. I'm currently editing the video, and I can tell you that it sounds really great. So right now I'm really happy with the results of the microphone on camera that Vitopal sent me, and I'm going to be using that a lot. I'm gonna be updating in the comments down below what other results or anything that I noticed from this microphone, but you can hear by yourself what are the results in the parts that I am telling you that I'm filming with Vitopal. You can hear the difference. I cannot hear a difference, so that's a good thing. That means that it is really of a good quality. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box, so if you want to get this Vitopal microphone, feel free to get it, because it's really good, and I really recommend it for you, for your videos, for your projects. You can even use it for your Android or smartphone, and if you use an iPhone, just make sure that you have a converter cable. This is the end of the video. I hope you have liked it and that you find it useful. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button down below, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.